him. Shit. I don't know why I whispered. Yeah, I'm about to cry. Oh, shit. I saw that big old red head coming out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that beard. God. A 2-year-old. I bet I'm like, my nerves are shot. I'm almost in tears. I've been after these daggum turkeys for 3 days. Everybody else has been getting them, but me. Daggum. This sucker's beautiful. Kind of give y'all. So our main trail's up there. I've been seeing them on that camera. It's on that old shoot house. There's a spot right over there in the woods I've been getting because I've been seeing them on camera walking right between this shoot house, and they're walking right up that lane, and they're roosting about midways back towards our main gate. Oh man. That old meager shell got him. Almost stacked. 7 9s. Look at that bad boy. Man, that beard's, I don't know, 10 inches. His spurs ain't that long, but hell, I'll take him. That was worth it. Been sitting in these woods. I've been seeing 3 hens come out. And man, I didn't even see his beard. I just saw a big old red head blowed up. Looked like he was just about to fluff up, and I didn't give him a chance. I just pulled the trigger on him. It's about a 50-yard shot. Yeah, about 50 yards from where I shot him to right here. Whew, hot. Got him. Well, I had to say, I was sorry for my emotions. Oh man, my nerves, they got the best of me when I saw that big red-headed sucker come out of the woods. I guess you could say I'm on my walk of fame right now. It's funny because we have trail cams set up from where I shot the bird. A couple trail cams from where I shot the bird to the gate where I parked my car. And I can hear my spy point camera going off. I haven't told anybody yet, but my mother and stepdad have access to the cameras, and they're blowing my phone up right now. It's kind of funny. But man, what an experience. I got out in the woods, set up after work, saw a hen fly out of the field when I got there. I was worried I spooked them. Waited about 20 minutes, another hen just casually putted on by. And then I was just sitting there, kind of fiddled down, about ready to leave. And all of a sudden I saw that big old red blowed up head walk out of the woods, and boom! I guess y'all, well, I saw him and I hit the record button on my camera. I had the camera kind of propped up towards me. I wanted to get the kill shot on video, but I don't want to ruin the hunt. But this is the first bird I've killed since I was 18, and I'm in my 40s now. So you can imagine, feels like my first one all over again. And I'm out of breath. So, well, thank y'all for watching. This is a fun channel I put together for me and my kids. So the next video I make will be of me and my 9-year-old killing a big tom. So I guess we'll see y'all then. Y'all enjoy and have a great day, 'cause I am.